SVB bank collapsed, and then we had all these knock-on effects, including First Republic and Credit Suisse, and your instinct might be to tell you to sell everything. But if you look back at past crises, crisis in Japanese is actually made of two words. The first word is danger and the second word is opportunity. And I think you have to make an equal assessment at that exact time whether or not there is something for an opportunity. And this is what we want to cover today in this, is that as much as there's enormous stresses out there, what looks like a lot of things broke and a lot of things did break, I think you have to also equally realize there's opportunities being created. Curve between the 10-year and the 2-year yield, so you can see the curve went into inversion really in the middle of 2022, and that's when the Fed started to talk about higher for longer, got to minus 100 basis points, and is now closed by 82 basis points. And the question is, did the economy break or did inflation break? Well, tech is gonna recover all of the underperformance of 2020 too. So if you had just held your tech stocks and thought they were terrible last year, you almost recovered all of the underperformance. And that's also true of FANG. I think that's important to keep in mind and patience, because again, as we're saying, if the Fed has to slow its hikes, which we expect, and interest rates are falling, that's bullish for tech. That's the reason it was our number one pick. And of course, that's actually kind of how it's playing out so far. I want to show you a chart to show you how your brain actually works, okay? See, if I hit the play button on this image, these boxes are moving. You see, right? It's moving in the direction of the arrows. Okay. Now they're rotating. And now they're rotating that way. You want to know something really surprising? The boxes didn't even move at all. I'll probably put in a note. Those boxes actually aren't even moving. It's just the lights are blinking. And it makes you think something's happening. And that's how people's brains work when it comes to investment markets. If they believe they're looking at a bear market, they're only processing bear market data points. If they think you're in a bull market, it's a bull market data point. And if you're bearish right now, and everybody's bearish, just keep in mind Mark Newton and I are bullish for different reasons, but it's because we're not processing data points the same way.